morning, WHB. I'm Delaney Faye.
And I'm Caroline Elliott, and welcome back to the Hurricane Watch.
Did you hear about the field trips the third period phys ed class went on?
I heard that they went bowling with some other schools.
Abby and Alexa got the inside scoop on the Unified Gym class.
Last week, the Unified Gym class took a field trip to the All-Star Bowling Alley. Let's see why everyone should get involved.
I've learned to be really understanding of my peers and patient in all situations.
I think it's good for people to take a second and try and understand the people around them better.
Well, for me personally, and I'm pretty sure it's going to go for everyone else, it gives a great opportunity to work with a lot of students you don't usually get to work with.
Being involved in the FELT program has honestly changed my life. It's been such a positive experience, and I recommend everyone to try and get involved.
And my friends, B and Alexa.
I like volleyball. Yes, Haley and Luke. And volleyball. Alexa.
I have been so grateful to work with the FELT program for the past 2 years that I wanted to give back for a big end of the year event this year before I go to college. This year I'm going to be running a unified field day to give students with special needs the opportunity to meet new friends and do fun activities together. To volunteer for the Unified Field Day, please use the Google Classroom code on the flyer to join the Google Classroom and then fill out the Google form.
Can't wait for field day in June.
Yeah, I hope there's a baseball station. You know, I'm a pretty good thrower.
Yeah, that TLC that Mr. Peters taught you must have really paid off.
Yeah, I should try out for the team. I heard they're doing pretty well this season.
Lauren, Sydney, and Ryan checked out our baseball and softball teams.
So as we enter the 2023 season, I've been to the playoffs the last 2 years, so we expect to get back to the playoffs.
Expectations for this year, as always, is to compete and put ourselves in a position to win games.
We'll miss our seniors. We are seniorless this year. I have a super young group here, but we're kind of expecting them all to pitch in and go forward with the lessons they learned from that senior group last year.
I cannot wait to be without the seniors from last year. No, the seniors from last year is a bunch of good kids. They're always welcome here. Great bunch of guys. But, we're always looking forward to a new year.
I'd say Katie Burke.
Definitely Katie Burke.
My main guy, Patrick Fay.
How do you say his name?
Lucas Patton.
My best friend, Lucas Patton.
My house due off the hill with the mean view. Nice house, if you look out, you can see some eagles and a few yachts. Got a roommate, he won't move out. If he won't smoke, he the cool out. And he drilled, got the tool out. It's the Wolf Gang, Brooklyn Zoo out. Wu-Tang, you get chewed out. Then we woo high, this is split mode, and they know you like the out. I'm cool, and his mouth wet, he a pool now. Used to stage die, but they sue now. I was too hot. TLC waterfalls on my chest, help me cool out. Got too many calls to go call. They catching dust, won't even stall. Illo with lemon heads looking like ball. Keep your protect, I spent that on all.
Those teams look great. Indeed. April Fools.
Oh, that's better.
Anyway, when I was little, I used to put jelly in my sister's body wash as my prank.
I really need to get some ideas for April Fool's Day tomorrow.
Period 7 showed us how April Fool's Day is done.
I'm definitely going to use some of those tomorrow.
I definitely have to up my game with my pranking skills.
Yeah, you probably should.
That's all for this week's show.
Have a fun and safe weekend, WHB.
Don't forget to order your Key Club sweatshirts by next Thursday.